I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a flute assembled. Now begin. Place the head joint and align the embouchure hole with the keys, then rest the foot joint in place. Hold the instrument with a slight right tilt so your left hand stabilizes near the top. Form your embouchure by relaxing lips and creating a small aperture. Aim the airstream across the hole, not into it. Once you get one clear tone, sustain it for several breaths to feel resonance and control. This sets the foundation for fingering and breath support. You now focus on consistent tone and accurate fingerings. Start long tone practice on one note for 1 to 3 minutes to stabilize air support. Make small adjustments to lip aperture for warmth or brightness. Once tone feels steady, add scale practice slowly. Work C, D, E, F, G, ensuring each finger moves cleanly and returns to the home position. Make sure to coordinate breath. Inhale low into the diaphragm, then exhale with steady pressure. Dividing phrases into 2 to 4 second musical ideas. You finish a session by playing scales, a simple piece, then finish with a 5-minute cool-down tone to relax muscles and lock in progress. After playing, immediately swab the body and head joint to remove moisture, then dry and store the flute in its case horizontally. If you hear squeaks or note instability, first recheck embouchure alignment and lip aperture. Next, inspect pad seating for visible gaps. If problems persist, make note of which keys leak and seek a technician for pad adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.